Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how you can reach the Sri Lanka's most breathtaking waterfalls within just a few hours from Colombo? Our journey begins in the peaceful town of Bulathkohupitiya, which is located about 80 kilometers away from Colombo. Today, we are heading towards Olu Ella, which lies near the historic town of Yatiyantota. Although the weather is slightly drizzly, it creates a refreshing atmosphere that makes the surrounding landscapes even more beautiful. After a short drive, we arrive at a bridge that crosses Wee Oya, which is tributary of Kelani River. This is a popular recreation spot where local visitors gather during weekends to swim, relax and enjoy the cool waters. As we continue our journey along the Yatiyantota Seaforth Road, we are surrounded by a breathtaking mountain landscapes where almost every hillside is covered with lush greenery. In far distance, we can see Wee Oya Waterfall, which appears like a silver ribbon cascading down the mountains. Along the route, we encounter several small waterfalls that emerge from the forest-covered slopes, reminding us how rich the region is in natural beauty. While traveling through this scenic area, we also passed the alcohol tea factory, which is managed by Kelani Valley Plantations and is situated close to the roadside. As we approach the 16-kilometer post, we finally reach the location where one of Sri Lanka's most fascinating historic structures stands. To access the waterfall, we cross an ancient wooden bridge that spanned across Wee Oya. This remarkable bridge, which was constructed during the colonial era, was used to transport tea leaves from the surrounding plantations. Right before us stand the majestic Olu Ella Waterfall, where enormous volumes of water plunge gracefully down a rock face. Olu Ella, which is located near Yatiyantota in the Kegalle District, has an impressive height of 127 meters, making it the sixth tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka and the tallest waterfall in the entire Kegalle District. It is also recognized as the highest waterfall that is connected to the Kelani River. Because of its immense size and powerful flow, it has earned the nickname the Sri Lankan Niagara. As I stand here listening to the sound of falling water, I can truly understand why this hidden gem attracts nature lovers, photographers and adventure seekers who visit from different parts of the country.